You know, Thomas Merton once said, looking for God in prayer is like looking for a path in a field of untrodden snow. Walk across the snow, and there is your path. So don't follow the herd through the path, which is what a lot of conventional prayer is. But find the purity of the snow to find the purity within, and there you will find God. And the reason I say snow, we got a couple of feet of it. Everything is a meditation and a contemplation to bring you closer to God. When you find that perception and you live by that, then you see the truth within. Questions or comments? Yes, please, and thank you in your life. And as always, like, subscribe, and follow.